I'm Dr Mukerji, Senior Psychologist at Kaleidoscope, a mental wellness center. And today's episode, we'll be learning the power that decision making holds and how important it is in our daily lives. Well, we often find ourselves confused and tensed when we have to choose, and we consider decisions as life-changing minutes, which leads to a lot of pressure, which often makes us unable to decide anything at all. And at times we settle on sensible choices, yet there are ordinarily when we make passionate, unreasonable, and confounding decisions. We like to be consistent in our decision making, and we do so by keeping in view the other available options as well. Well, decision making is the ability to decide between options, choosing what is best for you by being rational, and if you have the power, it can assist you with making more purposeful, insightful choices by arranging important data and characterizing options. Well, it helps you become more confident. It inculcates more positivity. It tends to increase the legitimacy. It brings more acceptance from the surroundings and in the group. It awakens more commitment. It increases people's participation in the activity. It can lead to more potential outcomes. It tends to bolster and promotes opportunity. Good decisions are usually more rational in nature, and goals are more achievable. Step 1. Decide what you need. Step 2. Identify the alternatives. Step 3. Understand and evaluate the consequences. Step 4. Notice what's working or not. Step 5. Change your procedure until you accomplish what you need. Realize the power of decisions. The different actions you take lead to different outcomes. How your life has been different from others is merely a result of how your choices have been different from others. So realize the fact that you hold that power in yourself to choose to act and lead your life to any direction possible. Learn from your previous decisions. Once a decision leads to a consequence, don't consider it as an isolated event to be forgotten. Instead, learn from it. Not all decisions will bear fruit, but there can be valuable lessons to take away from them as well. Also, decisions leading to positive outcomes should also be used to actually raise the bar higher for future goals and targets. Perfection is utopia. Don't chase after perfection while deciding on something. Nothing is perfect in this world, and there's always a room for improvement. So while deciding, focus on the actions and not on the end point. You'll be able to improvise on the way. Independence is the key. While taking decision, it's important to have multiple perspectives from other people, but it's also equally important to understand that the ultimate decision is yours. So instead of banking on others' opinions, pay heed to the most credible ones and decide. Be flexible. Decision making is not an all or none thing. Be open to other possibilities and approaches when you are trying to decide something. Decision making is a pseudoscience, and one should always decide keeping in mind the consequences it might lead to by being mindful and accepting the choices you make as it is the way you can aim to be a better decision maker. So I shall meet you all next week with another very interesting topic. Till then, keep smiling and enjoying life. Thank you.